To our channel, welcome back to my new video. In this video I am showing this all new brand new remote control drone e88 Pro Max with 4K HD camera, dual camera, foldable folding drone guys. And now onwards you seeing my channel, first time subscribe and click the bell icon. And now onwards you see our channel only diecast 1x24 car videos and car videos. Unboxing diecast 1x24 Mercedes-Benz GLS 6W Maybach white and black dual tone color. Unboxing diecast 1x24 Mercedes-Benz G-Class G-Wagon Burbus G700 AMG red and black dual tone color. This type of videos you see our channel now onwards. But today I am unboxing this video all new brand new remote control drone e88 Pro Max with dual camera, 4K HD camera, foldable folding drone. Its model name DM97. Let's unbox it guys. This drone have a lot of features, so many features. On this side I have a without honor function, hovering post, high control. This drone are available two colors. One is a white color and another is a black color. This drone handle only 14 plus years guys. Nice foldable drone with new durable structure design, special superb drawable design. Here have auto landing features, auto takeoff and auto hover and 360 degrees turn rolls, auto direction and 3-speed control. Okay guys, let's unbox it. This all new brand new remote control e88 Pro Max drone, 4K HD camera, dual camera, foldable folding. This is a drone box and this is a drone bag. With drone come with drone bag also guys.